This is the video you've probably all been waiting for because same, I'd be the exact same.
Facts.
Today I'm going to do, I was going to say empty house tour. It's not empty.
We haven't lived here.
But there's a lot of empty rooms. We've not put our touch on it, we've not done anything to it except put our bed up and our sofa in basically.
But we've been busy though.
Yeah.
It feels like we've been majorly busy.
We're excited to show you all our new house. I can't believe it's ours. Every time we like drive up, we're like, this is our house. I know it went out to the garden, he was like, it's just sick. I'm so excited to show you all. We'll briefly say like plans.
Yeah.
But none of it's set in stone because you just don't know if you can do things yet.
Yeah, we've put things out that we had in the old house, but not really that much. Like, it's just there now, just so we can live here. But we've got a lot of plans. We still have no Wi-Fi, so we can't watch TV. We just sit in silence.
I'm
struggling at it. I have no Wi-Fi on my phone, like no 4G. Shan's smashing it, so I'm there begging for the hotspot.
Right, should we get into it?
Yeah, let's do it. Where we starting?
Let's go to the house tour. We're going to start here.
At the door?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Welcome to our home. Let's go this way first. First stop is the garage. That's a big fat mess that's got all of our belongings. No, to be fair, packed most of it away. It's got a lot of our belongings in, so this is another mess. It's hefty.
Wow.
We've got a big double garage, which we are going to put the cars in once it's empty. But for now, we're just using it as storage, to be honest.
It's literally just, to be fair, it was a lot worse than this, wasn't it?
Me and your mum smashed this out.
Yeah,
today.
you've actually got through so much. We've just got boxes on boxes, we've got a washing machine, lawnmower. This will never get used. That's just in here for fun. And just the house, really.
Just
that
all
is
of our
literally
house
it.
Stuff that still needs to go away.
Yeah.
It's left in here, basically. But let's go to the more interesting rooms. The dogs love it here, by the way. Wait until you see their new garden.
This is Cobra's little spot. Are you here 23 hours a day? Yes. Hello, darling.
Then we go into this room, which is our current living room. And she's cute. She's kind of dark because it doesn't really have any windows.
It's in like the middle of the house. Obviously, you've got like this room here, and then that side, there's a conservatory.
We'll show you that in a
There's
second.
not really much light coming in here. But you know what? Cozy vibes.
How cute are the pink walls. Kind of want to keep the pink walls. And that made of the pink. And I actually really like the coving and the ceiling roads, I think that's called. I think they're really cute. Guys, look how high the ceiling is. Compared to our little other house, these are great.
Yeah, we do like these little things on the wall.
You know what's funny? Our little deck chairs are out. We had the fan round yesterday, these are the only chairs we had.
Job be done.
Yeah. We do actually really like the floor, but we need to obviously sand it down. Oh, because that's it's giving assembly floor, and I was like, you know what, it is.
It is.
But sanded down, that'd be so nice. Here we've got a gas fire. Cozy season. And it keeps.
Corner, door.
Right.
Yeah.
This probably won't stay.
This
We will
is
keep
not
the
staying.
fire, but I don't like this.
We want to get rid of it just because we've got the
I don't want to
sofa.
get rid of it.
You don't want to get rid of that whole thing. We actually spoke about this yesterday.
No, I'm gonna keep this.
They're fighting.
I don't know. I just hear footsteps. But she's got a toy.
Oh.
This window is actually an original window because this house used to be a cottage, and the people that lived here before just made it bigger, didn't they?
Yeah.
It was a cute little cottage before, and this is the original wall and window of where the house used to end. Fun fact.
We do really like this, but
I do, I think
it's
really
going.
cute, but it's going to get knocked out. Hopefully, if we're allowed to.
Yeah.
Then this way, this is our conservatory, which again, it's not going, but it's being turned into an extension rather than a full conservatory. This is where the dogs spend most of their time. Don't look at the garden, we'll show you that in a minute. And then you come through this way, into our interesting kitchen. It's a big
Look at all the
room.
colours.
Oh no, it's literally not bad.
So this is yellow. Living
And there's
room's
pink.
currently pink, which you've
And in
already seen.
here, come and see what colour this is. Ta-da!
Oh, how
Our
nice.
blue kitchen. We love it.
The kitsch.
Yeah.
I think we keep.
You know what? I could keep this kitchen. I don't mind the blue.
It's
The
staying.
black sides and the wooden cupboards.
Hell yeah.
But for now, basically we want to knock this through and make it all open plan. But for now we're just going to paint the walls, wrap the sides, paint the cupboards, change the handles.
Because we don't know how possible everything is right now. That's just the plan.
And we don't know how long things are going to take.
Yeah.
So we just want something so it's not like this. We've also got some skylights up here as well, which I love. Love me a skylight. I would also like to find out if we can put more skylights across the top. I don't know if I've just kept this for loft space or what.
Maybe.
I would prefer to have more skylights across the top. We need to speak to the right people, basically.
Yeah.
so who knows. Anyways.
The other side of the window.
This is the other side of the window. We've got some cards and some flowers. I've actually got quite a few bunches of flowers. Small girl. We've got so much cupboard space, haven't we?
We have, yeah. There's literally cupboards everywhere.
Empty, like they've not even got something yet. They're just empty. Anything else to add about the kitchen?
No.
Basically everything.
We got a dishwasher.
We got a dishwasher. Yes. Great.
We didn't have one at the old house. We got one
it's
now.
dedicated washer upper and now we've got a dishwasher.
Dedicated.
Yeah.
You was not dedicated.
Yeah, I was. And then you come around this way. And it's called a sitting room, but it's basically a living room.
Curb start the show.
Stairs here.
Hold on. Hello, Keeks.
Cobra basically doesn't move out of that spot.
Like a little sausage roll on the floor.
And then little pretty princess just follows us around everywhere, don't you?
Right, back to the tour quick.
Yeah, it's called a sitting room. Ideally, I'd prefer this to be our living room. And the plan, hopefully, is to put these stairs into that room. You'll see it all come together in vlogs and stuff, but imagine the stairs not here. I'd like this to be our living room because look at this way. We've got a proper log burner here. Imagine this when it's like freezing cold watching a Christmas film.
Can he wait?
Same.
It's getting cold as well, so we'll be using that very soon. Very soon.
Can't wait. And then it just leads back to the hallway this way. So we don't use the back here, but I really like this arch. Love an archway.
Yep, they're back in it now.
They are.
In our old house, you might have seen the moving vlogs, we
Bashed it out.
got rid of an archway.
Yeah.
It wasn't the nicest, so it wasn't like a small one like this, it was like a big one and then the sides of it weren't the greatest, so.
Right, we've still got more downstairs to go, so let's go this way. So, I'm through this little gap here. And this is going to be Oak's pool table room. Snooker table, pool table.
Pool table.
Do you want to talk him through this? You can do.
So the vision in here, pool table. Big enough. And then I want a dartboard here maybe.
Yeah.
And then potentially, depending on how much room we've got left, a bar in that corner.
Yeah.
And
sounds
then
like a plan.
That's it really. I just wanted this room. When we viewed this house, I just wanted a pool table in it. And I think it's big enough.
It's definitely big enough.
Yeah.
Even if you have pool table long ways.
But the reason I say is it big enough is like, so when you have a pool table, you know, you're like on the edge and you've got the thing like this.
Well, this room's big enough.
To be hitting the wall. if it does, it does, but.
You'll make it work.
Yeah.
Keeping the curtains?
Yeah. No, I don't even know what colour to have it yet. I've seen green and black, but I think what my is green and black. I want it like a dark green, like a nice, what would you call it, green? Like a
forest green.
Foresty green, yeah.
Yeah.
Not too dark, but I do like dark. It's just a boy thing.
That's this room.
That's this room.
Do you want to take us to your other room?
Take this one as well.
Oak's actually got 2 rooms in this house. He's gone from having a little no window
Jail
office
cell.
desk in.
It was a jail cell.
It's basically a jail cell in our little extension, covered by washing machines.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd had an upgrade.
And now I'm here. This is my office.
Oh, my car's ruining the views.
Not really much going on yet, and if Shan's car's not there, I have a view outside, which is.
Do you want to see the view? This is the view from Oak's office.
What
a dream.
Shan sent me a TikTok actually, which was like inspiration for office. You know, you have like AI concepts.
Mm-hmm.
So we want storage around like the top, like cupboards and stuff, and we want the whole of the floor to be shown. I don't want like cupboards or.
You just have like a desk
anywhere.
the whole way around the edge.
I literally want a desk, yeah, it could be like a desk all the way around. I don't want anything out, like it just looks so nice and clean.
Mm-hmm.
Everything can just go away. There's not actually that much stuff I need for my work. And I don't really want to cram this room with stuff, so yeah, not really
Clean and
much
tidy
else.
office space.
Yeah, I just want it to be a smooth looking room, not too much going on. And then just some pictures up somewhere.
Nice.
And that is literally it.
Nice.
That's it. On
On
to the next.
This way. Here we've got
Keeks.
our downstairs toilet, which is pretty big for a downstairs toilet if you ask me.
It actually is big.
Like, there's loads of room in here.
So much room for
Right, I'm going to go out because
activities.
the fans just came on. And then, this room, this is Oak's room. My little
It's not my room.
maid.
Are you dedicated ironer in this house as well, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is our utility room. It's just nice to have an actual space rather than having to have your washing machine in your kitchen or in your office if you're Oak.
Yep.
So we've got a whole utility
Situation.
area. We've got washing machine here, we've put a dryer in. The owners, the sellers, also left us their old fridge freezers, which are always handy to have extra. Don't really know what's in there.
It's a water tank.
Water tanks in there. Drying rack. And then this room we're literally buzzing about because it needs a lot of upgrading, but
This is the room.
we've got our own spa, gym, so we've got a jacuzzi, and then in here we've got...
Yes, we have.
Not that I will ever use this because sauna's not for me, but Oak loves it.
Oh, yes.
We have hot tub parties. And then in here, pretty boring, it's just a wood storeroom. Let me show you that really quick. It's literally, they just store wood.
It's just what, like,
And anything else in here. Gets cold, so let's go. Boring.
We've got, actually, just going to quickly show you, we've got like ropes for hammocks. So we've got a tree outside, which I'll show you in a minute. Previous owner has left us these.
What a treat.
And yeah, there's like 2 seated hammocks and then there's 1 actual hammock, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Let's go out there, Cole.
Up the stairs we go.
Let's go. Copes is not the stairs because they're wooden. There's actually no parking in this house, which is good because the dog's not ruining it, but Copes is scared of the stairs. We'll start with the smallest room. Just a little room. It's got wardrobes and stuff that the sellers have left. These again won't be staying, but I've just put my clothes in them for now. So I know where stuff is. And then, I'll show you in a sec. The views are just so good.
You can't see.
And then through here, this is just an airing cupboard. Won't open that. We've got 2 rooms over here. Right.
Keeks, funny man. She just went to go down the stairs because she thought we was going down the stairs.
Just follow me.
And then she juked it back up.
This is going to be my dressing room, filming room. Because it's got the most light, like how bright this is. The furniture, the sellers left because we just said we'd have it for now and then we'll just get rid of it. Because like, if we have people come over to help paint and stuff, they can stay. These bin bags are just pillows. Ignore. But yeah, just going to be dressing room.
You got any plans for this?
I don't really know yet. I kind of want fitted wardrobes, I think, but also not sure.
You want fitted wardrobe in here? Fitted wardrobes in here?
No.
Oh. What colour are you thinking? Don't even know.
No, I haven't got a clue.
Really?
Yeah.
Slacking.
For now, I've just hung a picture up. That's all I've done.
Okay. On to the next.
This room is literally the same size. I know it's this bright, to be honest. Again, I've left all their furniture for us, just in case we needed it. As of for now, this is going to be a guest bedroom. She's literally following us around. Yeah, this is going to be like a nice set guest bedroom, so when people stay, they've got an actual bed and somewhere nice to sleep in. So we love that. These chairs are kind of creepy.
No, they're not.
They are at the end of the bed. This way. So this is the main bathroom. It's quite small for a main bathroom, but it's got everything you need in there. We've got a toilet, sink, and a shower. I did actually have a shower in this earlier and it was a good shower. Powerful.
Good shower?
Yeah.
Give us a rating.
10 out of 10.
Was it?
Yeah.
Slay.
And then this way, this is our room, and it's such an upgrade from our last room.
Hell yeah.
Wow, how nice. We literally just put our bed up. The extra pieces of the headboard is down there.
Yeah. Still need to screw them on.
Not really vibing with the red wall, but that can be changed. And in here is our ensuite. Again, these are full reset. It's giving the kitchen tiles right now, but I do like.
I don't even mind. Okay, the black and white tiles, get rid. The bath, I love it. I love the toilet and the bath combo. You know, like squared off.
Can't say I'm a fan.
And the sink.
I like having lights here though.
Shan's not a fan.
And then this is the shower, but it's a wall, which we want to get rid of and have glass, so it's nice and open and bright.
I agree with that. Look how big this shower is. That shower head is like the width of my body.
I never use them shower heads though, I only use them hand ones.
Shan just uses that. She's really missing out. You are really missing out.
I don't think I am.
You are.
I really don't
You
think
are.
I am. Look at the light coming in though. This is our first sunny day since being here, so we moved in Thursday and today's Saturday, so it's 2 days ago.
Yeah.
It's been raining every single day.
We need to make the most of it, get the dogs outside.
We do. And then behind the bedroom door is Oak's wardrobe. What's the lay? So much room in here. He's unpacked most of his stuff. They left us a really nice rug. They've got shoe storage, loads of hanging space, and a full-length mirror at the back.
Yeah.
Sick wardrobe and a light. Now let's go downstairs and we can show you the garden,
Let's get in.
the best part. Let's go. I've had to put a house and store my Amy's here. But this is the part that sold us to the house. Are you ready to see our outside? Because it was for the dogs. We were just happy for the dogs that went upgrade from their last garden. Sorry if it's really windy. Look at the views. It's really windy, but we've set up our little garden furniture there. Our barbecue's all the way over there. And we've got all this land. What a dream.
How nice.
How nice is this? The dog's garden. Come on. And then in here, Oak's mum and auntie are paying this area of our garden because do we know how to grow fruit and veg? No. Not an allotment. As you can tell, it's retired people that lived here before that they have all the time to do this.
But we're gardeners as well.
No, don't know what these are. But then in our little greenhouse, how do you open the greenhouse?
Slide.
Ah. In our greenhouse, we've got tomatoes. They're actually nearly ready. Well,
yeah, they're close.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Your mum says she's going to make tomato soup.
Okay.
I'll give that a go.
Go for it. Can we make some pasta sauce?
Yeah, oh my god, that's such a good idea. Shut this.
Yeah. And then we've got just the end of the allotment here, and that's it really. There's one more thing that I want to show.
But what a dream for the doggies to have this garden. Also, Oak wants to show you something.
This is my baby. I bought this off the man that used to live here.
I don't know if you can see it because we haven't got the key, it's in the house.
I now have a ride-on lawnmower.
Slay.
Hell yeah, baby.
But that's our house. We literally feel so lucky to be living here, don't we?
Honestly,
it feels like a dream.
Magical, isn't it?
Yeah. Who'd have thought?
I should have a grin on my face all day, every day.
Same.
You just catch me smiling in it. I'm just like, this is surreal.
I know, same. But honestly, thank you so much to all of you for making our dream forever home possible.
Forever home.
Cray, cray.
We are going to be here for a very, very long time.
Yeah. It's mad to feel like our kids are going to be born in this house. Right, let's go in because it's windy. I don't even know if you can hear us. Hello! They're impatiently waiting to come out into their big garden. Well, this is the view we get to look out to every single day. Having our morning tea. Where's our house?
Actually, it's crazy, isn't
Look, you love.
I can't wait to change the colour of this room. I feel like since we've been in this is the room we've been in the most.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
When people come over, the living room's not really big enough to have like a massive amount of guests over.
The kitchen's
so everyone's just been chilling in here.
All our mates are coming over now as well.
Yeah.
We're probably going to be sitting here. I just love it so much. I can't wait to make it out.
I'm so glad it's sunny as well. It's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again for literally making this possible because without any of you guys we wouldn't be here.
Honestly.
It's wild.
The G's them.
We love ya.